You all know the situation with Chris. If you don't, let me fill you in. Chris has been incarcerated by the Trinidad police. Now, let's get into what Chris himself has revealed about his harsh conditions in jail.
Yeah, still here. I'm still here, still locked up. Today's day 4. I'm in the hole. I don't know how else to put it. There's no daylight, no nothing. No humans, no nothing. It's not fun. Hopefully I see a judge on Monday and the judge lets me out, gives me some freedom, some bail. Yeah, sleeping on the concrete. There's no pillows, no blankets. I guess as bad as bad could be. But everything will be good. That's just it.
So as you all heard, Chris is going through some tough times. He's in solitary confinement, literally in a hole with no human contact for 24 hours a day. These cells are typically reserved for the most violent individuals or high-profile people. In this case, Chris is high-profile. He's a Canadian vlogger and independent journalist, and Trinidad cannot afford to let anything happen to him while he's in their custody. Chris's family has put out a statement that the Canadian government is getting involved. Chris was just doing his job as a YouTuber and doesn't deserve what he's going through. He's sharing that there's no bed, no pillow, no light, nothing. It's a cold place at night and very hot during the day since he's sleeping on concrete. He's supposed to have a hearing on Monday to see if he will be granted bail or spend more time behind bars. Chris was charged under a law that implies he used his platform to promote violence and gangs. But many believe the bigger picture is that the authorities wanted the information Chris had. His raw footage was of interest to them to identify people in his videos. It's really unfortunate that Chris found himself in this situation. We, as fellow YouTubers, have to speak up for him. Chris's videos about Trinidad have been deleted by the security forces,